All right, everyone, welcome back for another episode of Carnivore Trades. Today's Friday, August 20th, 2021. Market staging back a rally here as the SP floats higher on lighter volume. Dip was bought again. Not a surprise as we saw that kind of inch up into the close yesterday. IWM actually finally getting a bid here. NASDAQ leading the charge. Microsoft looking extended as all hell, but this thing might put in a blow off top soon if this continues going vertical. But yeah, so market's holding up. Yeah, we see the IWM here trying to reclaim the 200 moving average. But again, this still is a minor area for me now because if you traded close to it for so long here. But just really look for pattern on the IWM. But yeah, small cap's still weak, even though they are getting a bounce today. Speaking of weakness, so it looks like copper is going to confirm a head and shoulders breakdown this week. And so yeah, we look on the weekly here. Pointed this out last night. So shoulder, head, shoulder, and we've cracked through that, and it's going to close on a weekly basis. So not looking good there. Let's take a look. So gold holding up again, nothing really doing much there. Same thing with crude. Generally a pretty quiet day on Wall Street. Actually, crude dipping in a little bit here, but it is going to have some support at this 6150 area. So it may hold up in the meantime. Maybe it gets down to the 200 if it flushes, but it should have a decent amount of support in this area. And then if you get through that, again, we're going back down to 5750-ish. But yeah, crude and energy has been weak over the last couple of weeks to months. And they may get a bounce here and there, but ultimately one of the weaker sectors right now. Dollar index kind of just hanging in there. A little bit of a pause day. That's not uncommon to see after a nice surge like that. So dollar just kind of hanging in there and holding up. As far as everything else, yeah, Snowflake had a dump today. And of course, the one day where I took a break and wasn't at my desk this morning, it was at 274, 275 pre-market. And then right before the market opened, they dumped it down to 270, all the way down to 250, which held. And so my mental stop was going to be 270. And of course, I wasn't there to see the market flush, and it happened so fast, but I just got back out, so at about 263, which is just a little bit above my original entry. So it took 7 or 8% on the first half and a fractional gain on the second half. Not the worst thing, but a little disappointing. But that's the break sometimes. But I'm just glad to get out of it with a gain on both sides. Budweiser having a decent kind of float day here, and Peloton again still being held under this 110 area. I think that's just OpEx related, so it should get a pop Monday, I would think. But anyways, I'm just going to keep it short today. I will, of course, be doing the Wall Street for Main Street video probably tomorrow morning, and we'll get that out to you. One more thing about the service. So I was playing around with WordPress quite a bit, and I'm just thinking it's probably a little too complicated for what we're going for here. There's just a lot of, like with the CSS and everything that has to be done. It's just not really a service. It's not really a site that's built for what I'm looking for. Although it does look really nice, the page that I was designing. But I think I may switch it over to Subscribestar, and it's very similar to Patreon. But I'll probably decide on that over the weekend, and I'll let you guys know. But anyways, and that's good because I can get that up and running next week, and yeah, we'll be in business. So, but I will definitely let you guys know probably by this weekend, maybe Sunday night or so. But anyway, guys, take care. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later.